Hello friends, welcome to this class. Today we'll discuss with the composite function. Composite function actually the composition of two or more functions. Look at this. Here we are taking three sets of elements, set A, set B and set C. And we define two functions, function f from A to B and function g from B to C. So here the codomain of function f is the domain of function g, and if it happens, then only we can define the composition function g of f. So we are taking an element x under the function f and its image is fx, and then at b the image of fx when defined in c, it is g of fx. So g of fx we find by g of fx. Let us see an example. Here we are taking f, which contains the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, and the domain A, and under f it is a codomain B, which contains the elements 3, 4, 5, 9. And another function g is defined from 3, 4, 5, 9 to C, which contains 7, 11, 15. And it is given that f mapped on f of 2, the image of f2 is 3, image of f3 is 4, and image of f4 and 5 both are 5. Now g3, this one, and g4, 7. g5 and g9. So in case of gf2, we are writing in this way, gof2, this is f2 is equals to 3. Now g3 is 7. Next one, gf3. Now f3 is the image of 3, and that is equals to 4. And g4, the image is 7. Next one is g4. That is g5, which is equals to 11. And g5 is equals to 11. So now this way we got the composite function, that is 2. The image of 2 under GOF is 7. Image of 3 under GOF is 7. 4. Image is 11, and element 5 under GOF mapped on 11. Here another illustration. Here the question is, RB the set of real numbers, and the f is defined from R to R by fx is equals to 8x cube, and g also defined from real number to real number by gx equal to cube root of x. So as f defined from R to R and g defined from R to R. So this and this are same, therefore FOG or GOF exist. So FOG and GOF can be defined. So now first want to find G of fx. So if the image is Gx, now what is f? 8x cubed. So you can write 8gx cubed. And gx means cube root of, so cube root of x cubed. And cube root of x to the power 3, that is x to the power 1/3 into 3, so you can write 8x. Now we find g of x. G of x is equals to g, image is fx, and here g is defined by cube root of x, so this is cube root of fx here 8x cubed is equals to 2x. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.